Welcome to Engineering Technology Services and our new online store, where we only sell original OEM equipment. You will need to establish a login name and password, but once you do, you will see this main page that illustrates the hydraulic brands we support. In this example, we will use Bosch Rexroth for the purposes of this illustration. Under Bosch Rexroth, we have three options: parts, units, which includes pumps or motors, and valves. I will select units. As part of this example, I'm choosing the A10V series piston pump, certainly one of our most popular models. Next, we need to choose the displacement of the pump, and I'm selecting the 71 cc frame size. The selection of the 71 cc frame size provides a list of specific available options. If you don't find the model code or part number you're looking for, then we can probably convert something for you from our existing inventory. So if it doesn't appear in these available options, just give us a call. Otherwise, select the one you want. In this case, I'm choosing the first one. At this point, you're nearly done. Just add the item to your cart and move to the next page. In this final step, you need to process payment through the use of our secure checkout. This new system, with an individual login and password, provides you a real-time inventory view of the product we have on hand. But again, keep in mind that we are most often able to convert our available inventory to your specific needs. So when in doubt, just give us a call. And thank you for your time.